Give me just 1 second.
All right, folks, how you guys doing? We're talking about some dent machines here. Where this is the new T-Hotbox system. Look at that! Ooh, got all the bells and whistles. Look like an iPhone, dude. So we're doing a demonstration. We'll come up over to Mario. We're gonna do some. This is Ralph over here. All right, Ralph. Let's see what we're doing here.
Hi guys, my name is Ralph.
Give me your mic, dude. Hold on, let me give you your mic real quick, okay? There you go.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
Hi, my name is Ralph from BTAG Innovation. We produce the T-Hotbox. Okay. This is the new version. This is the Pro version. The main difference is you get multiple adjustments you can do. You can set the power more precise. You can set the time. And then you have the magic function. In the magic function you have 8 settings, 8 settings that you can save. So if you're working in different cars, you can save the settings that you like. Okay. And the other one is you can change between settings. So when you're working on the roof and you want to adjust the power, you don't have to go back and adjust it on the unit. You can do it on the roof by pressing it twice.
Okay, cool.
And pressing the button twice.
Okay.
The other thing that's new is the tool head. Okay. So this here is the old version, or the standard one, and the M is the new one. So it's more power than the previous one. And the other thing, it's got more focus in the center.
Got it. Okay.
So it's got a 30% more power on the tip.
Okay.
So when you start with small dents, okay. Let's say you got some small hail dents. Can you see them?
Yep.
Okay. So just over pull it, you get the heat in, it's a little bit expanded, let it cool off when it goes down. So the previous version was not able to pull out the center on it, but the new version we can get out the center of the small dents. So one way to use it on the small dents, just go straight in the middle, pulls up the center.
You look like you're a bit offset. You're not really right over it. Is that accurate?
No.
No, you'll go right over it.
I was right on it.
Okay.
Yeah. Because you want to be right here in the middle.
Okay.
Okay. So let's say if it gets a little bit bigger to this, now it's getting a little bit on the limit to get it perfectly done. So what you do, 2 beeps, lift it up. Okay, so it's high. Okay, so what you would do is you go back with the knockdown, open it up again, the same as the glue, and pull it again.
Yeah, because my earlier version I was doing, like, it wasn't that accurate, that strong.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
So this one gets more of the center.
Okay.
Okay. And then the other application is, let's say, you're good. Thank you, sir. So it's not gonna, if you have got a deep center dent, it's not gonna pull out the center.
Yeah.
Okay. But what you do is you can bring up the center, and then you've got some nervous stuff happening around it, or you've got a glue dent you used to glue on, and you got some waves, ripples on it. So on that one, if you go in the middle of a big dent, it gets bigger. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you do is you start on the outside, slowly walk to the center, walk it in, and then just brings it up. Okay.
What's the price of the?
I don't know. I'm sorry. I just make it.
Go to Anson.
Go to Anson.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's the distributor.
So what generally,
he's a maker.
It's gonna make you about 10 to 20% faster on a hail job. Okay.
Yeah, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of time.
It's not gonna fix all the dents. You have to look at it more as a finishing tool to clean up the small stuff, to help you on the glue. You know, sometimes on deep dents, when you're using the glue, it's tough to get the center out. So what a lot of guys do, they first use the hot box to change the molecules in the center, and then use the glue.
Okay.
In combination with the glue.
All right.
Okay.
Good deal. Thank you for the demo, though, Ralph. And then we can find this at ansonpdr.com. Go to here, check it out, and then check that new box out. A lot more stronger. I like that you can clearly see everything there. So.
And really important is make sure when you get it, the M version.
Okay, M version.
Okay. Because the older version has a lower price. This one does cost more. Okay. So make sure when you get it, the M version.
Okay.
And if you have the older version, this is the previous version here. Okay.
Yeah.
Which works perfectly fine. It's the same power level. Okay. But if you have the older version, all you need to get is the new tool head. Okay. And then you can always have the extension, or we have longer cables, even longer than this.
Okay.
But normally when you're working on the car, you put this on your trolley, or you can put it on the ground. You know, you can step it as a stool also. Multi-purpose.
Super strong.
Super strong.
It is well made.
Okay.
No worries.
Thank you very much, Ralph. Appreciate it. Now we're
Thank
gonna move.
you guys.
Thank
Good job.
Thank you. Take the mic, dude.